Your friend's spirit has been taken. I'm sure the Elder can call it back.
Hurry!
Saturday at midnight.
They thought they found the perfect home.
You'll see that you'll like it. We'll make lots of friends soon.
Lights out.
Until they discovered they weren't alone.
Just go now!
Darkness. Rated PG-13. In theaters everywhere. Saturday, December 25th.
Break out the honors. X-Men Legends is one of the best co-op games of the year. Game Informer declares it's the X-Men game we've all been waiting for. X-Men Legends, rated teen.
It's half-off time for a friend when you travel together on Greyhound. 50% off companion fares everywhere we go. For a limited time only, includes one-way travel, 3-day advance purchase required. Call right now.
Shave your beard. Not your face. Introducing the new Norelco Cool Skin Shaver. Close as a blade with less irritation.
South side, outside, west side, let's ride. East side, Chi-Town's finest. From Decatur down to DP and EP, Adamsville to the battlefield and DDP. Pay attention while the game shine like a prism. Glisten, show you how canaries can alter one's vision. Outside, west side, let's ride. Where you at? The whole city behind us.
The winner of 11 Academy Awards can be seen in a whole new light. With 50 minutes of extended scenes, it's the greatest DVD experience of all time. The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King. Only extended DVD edition December 14th.
So, Christian, what did that Iraqi guy do?
Iraqi, not Iraq. The Iraqi guy, he is refusing to disband the militia.
I thought it was like Iran.
No, Iran. Iran, Iraq.
So, Iraq, Iran. Oh, no. Iran.
No, I ran a mile. No, it's Iran.
Sorry.
It's just one of my bugaboos.
What about Chechnya?